Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You're unlocked, saved any unsent work, and know your billing cycle. Open Settings, tap Network and Internet, then Data Usage. You see the current usage graph and the active cycle date. That date determines what resets. Once there, make sure you have permission if multiple users exist. If you're ready, tap Mobile Data Usage to view per app totals. This is where you'll confirm which counters you want reset and why. Preparing to clear historical stats. Now execute the middle steps. Tap the three-dot menu or the billing cycle date and choose Change Cycle or Reset. Adjust the cycle start to match your carrier's billing day. This aligns Android's counters with invoices. If your device shows a reset option, confirm to clear totals for the current cycle. Once done, review per app lists and toggle background data for apps that consume unexpectedly. Make sure to save changes. Adjusting the cycle prevents premature overage warnings and finish by verifying that totals show 0 for the new cycle and cross-check with your carrier's app or portal. Restarting your phone helps the system commit settings and refresh network stats. If numbers don't update, try toggling airplane mode briefly, then reconnect mobile data. This forces a network refresh. If you still see discrepancies, clear the settings app cache or check for a carrier profile update. One troubleshooting tip: if reset fails repeatedly, contact carrier support to confirm their reporting and cycle alignment.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.